You only live once. You only have one life. So if you want to do something, go out there, do it, live your best life. No regrets in 2019. Whatever it is that we want to do, whatever it is out there that we're gonna do, we're gonna do it, and we're gonna do it like a boss. Alright, so let's just start off with regular old schmegular degular. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the LOUISE base in the color 4. And that bad boy is. Alright. Boom! We're ready to snatch a look. Ready to snatch a look. Let's see. Alright. I think I know what I'm gonna do. No, I don't. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay. You know what? Let's just get into it. It'll work itself out. I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette. I like this palette a lot. So we're going to start out. So what I'm gonna do. Okay. I'm gonna be starting out with this is the Sigma Diffuse Crease brush E38, and I'm gonna be starting in with this color right here.
Two hours later. Three hours later.
We're blending, we're blending. We're blending, we're blending, we're blending today. Okay, with the same, he's like, yeah, I can see how we're going to do. With the same brush, I'm going to be using this this Melt Cosmetics Dark Matter eyeshadow stack. This is called a stack, right? Yeah, it's called a stack. And I'm going to be using this color. Woo! Yeah. Okay. And I'm going to be using the color Enigma. They got a little cute little mirror in the front, right? They have a little stack that's just the mirror. The same brush. Put it right on top. Right on top is just where I want it. Just right here. Again. Alright, I think it's where I want it. I might do some more, but I'm just gonna take I'm gonna take a Morphe E17, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges real quickly right here. Just blend them out. See, they look a little, you see, they look more diffused. This technique I like because you know you can. What's that? Oh, that's not that. You can think everything looks really nice, and then you know, once you diffuse it, you see the difference. You see the difference when you diffuse it with a brush that has no powder or nothing in it. It does make a heck of a lot of difference. Makes a big old difference. Now I'm going to be using a matte shadow. But before that, let me not get ahead of myself. Actually, no, that's what it's called. No, I know better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm doing a dark look, so I'm going to just use this. What is this? This is the MAC Feline. I'm going to just use that and add black to where I think it's necessary. I'm just going to use the Feline to add black to my lid. Beautiful look or whatever. We in here or whatever. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to add a matte black shadow to it. I'm also using a shadow from the Dark Matter stack. It is the color. It is It's called Dark Matter. This is the color it's all about. Dark Matter. So I'm like, wait a minute, what? It's starting to get dark outside. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of black, pat the access off, and just kind of like pat it into the area. Pat it, and that's pretty much just pat. Because this is black, I don't want to blend too further up. I'm going to be using this E18 brush, see, tiny, and I'm just going to I'm going to add a little bit more of Enigma to it, and then just blend it out. You know, just so the black doesn't, so the burgundy doesn't get lost in there. Boom. Add a little bit, tap the access, and just kind of blend it out. Alright. We're gonna stop feeling ourselves. Okay, now, main attraction. I'm gonna be using this on the lid. This is called Black Party. This is by Dose of Color. So I'm just gonna be using my fingers and placing this one on our lid. Alright. Alright. I'm loving it. This looks really beautiful. Wow. It came out really, I like it. I like it a lot. Boom. Alright. Look at that. I like the way this is looking. I am loving the way this look is turning out, honestly. So I'm gonna take this again and I'm just gonna kind of like diffuse it, make sure there's no hard edges. Now get our under eyes together. I'm just gonna be using the two same colors. I'm gonna be using this and then I'm gonna be using the on the bottom, on the lower lash line. Add like a slight little bit of black to it, give it a little dimension. I'm gonna end up looking like a now we're just gonna add some liner to our waterline. Tell me you don't love fingers. Okay, and I just want to blend it out a little bit. Alright, cool. Nice. Alright, eyes are done. Coolio. So now gonna add some highlight to the look. Put a little, maybe some inner corner highlight. For the inner corner highlight, I'm gonna be using this Dose of Colors pencil brush. And for highlight, I'm going to be using this MCGrath palette. I love this highlighting palette so much. This palette is so pretty. Like, all the colors look good. All the color looks good on me, man. I'm telling you, like this palette, if you listen to anything in this video and you feel like you want to buy anything on what what I've been using, buy this. Anyways, I'm just going to be using the middle shade. I do not know its name. Right here, I'm gonna just be putting a little bit in the brush, and I'm gonna be putting that on my inner corner. Alright, and if you want to be extra, because why not be extra? Life is about living your best self. So I'm also going to use it as a my eyebrow highlight. Okay, let's use that. And now for mascara. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Look at that, I didn't mess it up. I did a little bit, but you can really see it. I usually be messing up, they leave mascara all over the top of the shadow I just did. I'm so proud of myself. I look like I should be going somewhere, right? I look like I am going out, you know, out somewhere significant, like I'm going somewhere. I'm not going nowhere. Yeah. I ain't going nowhere.